In this video, we will guide you step by step through the process of creating a new project in Plant SCADA. In the project activity, select Home. Then, on the command bar, click Add. New Project. The New Project dialog appears. In the new dialog box, enter a name for your new project. Optionally, you can add a description of the project. Then, you can select the directory path where the project files are stored. By default, a folder with the name of the project is created in the user folder directory. You can override this by manually entering the location or clicking Browse.
Continue with the full technical tutorial at ctiresources.com.my/knowledge-base.